Gonna snow today, like a lot, and they shut this motherfucking town down when it snows. Joiner Pot is here today. I think he scored on some graphics cards. As I mentioned before, he's getting ready to build a simulator, so that's pretty exciting. Pretty stoked about that. He might have accidentally bought 2, so I might be accidentally getting 1. Should be a pretty easy day today. I have full staff, so that's good. Just my morning meeting, my afternoon meeting. He's coming down. Hey! Happy Tuesday.
I'm back.
Why are you upset? Why are you upset?
I'm just happy that I'm back. She won't be in a different room than me.
Oh!
Stay with me all day yesterday when I was throwing up and, pooping a lot.
Right.
Now she's right down here while I work.
Man's best friend. Joiner Pot's here working. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. Dang it! Oh, somebody got it. Somebody got it. See, that's what it's like to not be by yourself. Love that for me. Should be no problems today. We might be getting Joiner Tot later for a brief moment. And then we have stream. I did want to go to the gym today, but there's gonna be a snowstorm happening right at the time that we'd be able to go. So they're probably closed, to be honest. Because like I said, they shut this motherfucker down when there's snow. Which it makes sense, because if it's more than like a couple inches of snow, you shouldn't be driving out there. It's a little crazy. But they've been prepping the roads with salts, making a mess. They've been salting it up. I don't know what they're cooking out there. They're cooking up a snowstorm. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
How you doing?
We're doing. Oh, hello.
Hello.
Hi. Per usual, we have technology problems in this suite, so.
What?
I know. It's wildly shocking.
I see this in new employees all the time. The company Chanel, they have this rule that I absolutely love, that new...
Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Real quickly, I know I mentioned yesterday that I wanted to keep an eye on the location numbers.
And just have a plan in place for that.
Okay, no problem. We can handle that.
Thank you, everybody.
All right. Well, that being said, we're 4 minutes early. I hope everybody has a great rest of your day. I'll see you later.
Bye. Yeah.
Shake your booty. Shake, shake, shake. You need a new coffee, too. Really fucked up my shake yesterday. It was too much liquid. didn't blend right. We're gonna do it right this time. Just remember, I didn't make my shakers, so I'm gonna do it by hand. A little more than 8 ounces of liquid. This is my life support. And it's mostly coconut milk. Layla runs on coconut milk. Bye forever. See you never. Here in my rear view mirror. Beep beep. Got my hazards on. I am a hazard. Alright, I got 15 minutes till my next meeting. I was just made aware that it might perhaps potentially be maybe snowing outside. Who wants to star in my films? See some flakes. Okay.
Snowing.
It's getting flaky out there.
Oh, it was even more than that when we were coming in.
It's just because every time I come out here, you know?
Yeah, it's racist.
Against Arabs? Not Islamophobia.
Islamophobia.
Islamophobia. So irritated on so many levels right now, and I'm gonna vent here because it's safer than if I do it to like a coworker or unsuspecting pedestrian. I hate mixing business and my personal life. I fucking hate it, okay? And like a red flag to me is when somebody is like calling me nonstop trying to become a patient at my job, because like, why is it that serious? You know, just like call the main line. This person that was hounding me to become a patient, and I was on PTO the 1 week that I take PTO, and she was relentlessly calling me, guilted me into calling her back. Then when I finished my PTO, I got really sick, was up my ass to become a patient. When I finally did get around to speaking to this person, it's a fucking hour-long conversation, most of which has nothing to do with, first of all, me, but just her complaining about shit that she's been through. And like, I'm sorry, but like, come on, like, who has fucking time for that? Like, it's my work day, bro. Like, come on. Now, fast forward, that was back at the end of October. Now it's fucking February. And guess what? She has a problem. She has an issue, and she's taking issue with somebody that I work with and making it a big deal, calling me, texting me. I'm upset. Like, I need you to fix this. Sorry, I'm not available. Why are you not available? Like, girl, because I'm fucking not. Hello? Well, I need to speak to someone in this office. Okay, well, that office can't help you with order processing. Why can't I move to that office? I did not say that. You need to fucking calm down, first of all, and come correct. Don't fucking speak to me like that. Just need to get that off my chest. Last meeting of the day. Gotta put one of these on. Alright, fam. We are, kind of went live prematurely, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, is it my affiliate anniversary? Forgot! We had a challenging day at work, but it was a productive day at work, and now it's time to enjoy stream with my friends. Life's not so bad. Just get triggered sometimes. Hi, besties. How's it going? Yeah, early start today. You like that? You like that? We did it! We got like 3 or 4 new peeps in the community today. Thanks for modding. It is, for sure. Definitely easier with a mod to help me. Thank you, because I would have been solo. But yeah, people really like the request format because it gets like everybody involved. You just run the risk of people sharing like weird shit that sucks. I haven't had anything like that in a while, but I at least feel confident enough now that like if I have to say like, all right,
Not that one.
yeah, thanks, but we're gonna move on, then I will do that. But it's just hard because sometimes it's like your own community members that are there often.
You don't want to make them feel bad.
And they share something that you're like, okay, this was like not the vibe. But at the same time, I feel like my community is pretty understanding. If I'm like,
Yeah.
all right, we get it. we heard it, you know, moving on.
Got it.
So. Oh, it's dark out. Oh.
This all happened while you were in the dungeon.
Shit. Oh, you can see that. It's a winter wonderland out there. It's still coming down too.
Yeah, it's supposed to.
Oh, like the neighbor. New rug alert. I think it's the vibe. Jeff, what do you think?
Ah!
Whoa!
The silencer for your tippy taps.
It's cause you're so fucking loud. You like it?
Yeah, she likes it.
Yeah!
Is this all my bed?
Yeah! It's a new dog bed!
No pooping on it.
It's a new dog bed for Jezebel! That's funny. Go piss squirrel. And it's stream nice and early so that I can have an early night. The only things I'm gonna do for the rest of the night are maybe edit, snack a little bit, and go to bed. So we're gonna call it a day here, but I'll see y'all tomorrow. Oh no, we'll never get out alive.
We're done for.
We're done for.
Done for good.
It's over. It's over. GG.
Need a status report by 2 p.m.
Jeff has to piss. Don't you let people take pee breaks around here?
They do their job. They get privileges. Jeff hasn't performed in years. They still keep him here.
Oh, you can't say that.
Oh, welcome to the office.
Hey,
It's
thanks.
about time you showed up for work. Thank
I'm
you.
actually early, so
Oh,
go
fuck.
fuck
Yeah,
yourself.
we were on opposing. I guess to get appropriate coverage, that's to be expected. But
See you
early
later.
bird gets the paycheck.
Yeah, whatever. It snowed last night. Like a lot. 7 or 8 inches, yeah. The work calls have already started this morning, but I'm happy to report that none of the dramas are going to fuck up my day. So that's great. Got up a little bit earlier today. Gonna try to start getting up earlier to edit these for you guys. Not today though, because it's a snow day and Ginderpot was home. So obviously not getting up any earlier on my snow day. It's not a snow day for me because my company's based out of Florida. They don't even know what that means. I tried explaining to them how like the whole town shuts down when there's a snowstorm coming, and they were like, okay. Like, okay, you guys, this is how people feel when you tell them about a fucking hurricane. That a hurricane's coming and there's no fucking toilet paper on the shelves, okay? It's gonna be a good day. It's Wednesday, so we've got some presentations today, this afternoon. Got a meeting at 10:15, but nothing too crazy. So the only thing that sucks is the gym's closed because of the snow. No matter how hard you try, you can't stop us now. Renegades a fuck!
You've decided that you're not going to allow the events, the things, the people, life determine who you become.
Period. Need I say more? Good morning, everybody.
I'll be on incoming. Really concerning why I haven't gotten a single call this morning. Like, not one. Like, all my ex-boyfriends definitely need testosterone, so I'm gonna call them now. See if they want to like get the hookup or what.
All right, cool. Everybody, I hope you have a great day, and we'll chat later. Bye.
Bye.
10:48.
I'm feeling great.
Feeling great.
I gotta get my thing out of the box.
So, is it just like a super strong leaf blower?
Kinda, but it's meant for snow.
But it doesn't do something different than a leaf blower would do.
Yeah, it does. It sucks up the snow and shoots it out.
It sucks up the snow.
Mhm.
So it's a sucker, not a blower.
It's a sucker and it blows the snow in and out and launches it 25 feet.
What? Stop.
Yeah.
Okay, that's kind of sick. So we got to get my car out so we can put the Christmas tree up. And I'm going to help. I got to put like pants and boots on.
Yeah, full
Snow gear. What are you? Are you helping? Oh, what you got? What you got? Oh! She got the hooter.
I knew she was a Hooters girl.
Hoot hoot.
My boots
Get
and
it.
my pants
Grr.
and-
God, you're so strong. Where do they keep the socks in this store? Another one that doesn't match. At least these two will feel the same because they're the same thickness. That's all I care about. Mood. Alright, let me tell the team I gotta go shovel snow real quick. We're both blind right now because of the snow. Not too bad. My portion of that only took 15 minutes. I just needed to get my car out, honestly. Some more meetings are getting thrown onto my schedule. So we're gonna go handle that. big boy. The biggest. It's almost 6 o'clock. My boss had a family emergency, so I had to host the weekly company call with the whole team on it, which was so ironic because I usually host a section of it for onboarding, and I had Josh doing the presentation for onboarding today as part of his leadership development. So I wasn't supposed to be presenting at all. And then literally 3 minutes before the call was supposed to start, my boss called me and was like, all right, I need you to jump in. And he had called me this morning and told me that there was a possibility that I might have to do it. And I said, that's fine, as long as I have like an hour or so to prepare. Like, no problem. 3 minutes, brother. 3 fucking minutes. It was totally great. It was totally fine. I'm a streamer. Like, what do you want? What do you want? Like, I'm equipped. I'm fine. I'm gonna take it super easy tonight, and I'm just gonna sit at my desk and edit because I'm trying to get part 2 of vlog number 1 out sooner than later. So nothing super crazy or exciting happening today. Honestly, editing these vlogs is helping me realize how much I fucking flap my gums, okay? I need to shut the fuck up and just like live my life. So that's what I'm gonna do, all right? I'll talk to you in a little bit. Bye. He is gaming and you're being a menace. Look at you. Look at you. Can we relax? What are you doing over there?
You can just ignore them.
What? Nobody wants to play with you?
Yeah, it's easy.
We're working. We're working. Hey. Hey. That's too loud. She's throwing a tantrum. All right, friends, I've been editing for quite some time. It's time for me to hit the hay, you know? Time to go. I feel like my eyes are getting a little crazy from staring at the computer. Time to shut them. Okay, bye. Good night. I hear a lot of running. You're stomping? Do it again. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, what? Oh, hello? Jezebel, do what he did.
You too. All right, all together now.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, that is my favorite image that I've ever seen.
You wanna go outside? That'll get you.
Wow,
Let's go.
Oh
Yeah.
That's the cutest thing I've ever seen.
All right, let's do this one.
Oh,
Let's do that one. That one.
oh my goodness.
Do that one.
Get him.
Do this one.
Get him. To get him.
Do this one. Yeah. Wanna go outside? Oh boy, do I.
Boy, do I. Get him.
You scratched me.
Oh no. She goes, no.
No, I didn't. That was you. You scratched yourself. I'm a self-scritcher.
It's a cry for help.
Yeah. Seen it?
No.
Damn.
Oh, are you okay?
Probably gonna die now.
Fuck. Can I have your motorcycle?
Which one?
All of them.
Yeah, I guess. I won't need them. I'll be dead.
It's sick. Jezebel, we just got a bunch of motorcycles. She's like, open the fucking door, you stupid idiot with them.
Fucking shit.